In this video I will show how to disable background apps on Windows 11. First, right-click on the Start button on the Windows bar. Then, in the menu that appears, select Installed Apps. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. In the window that appears, you will see a list of installed apps on your PC. Select an application and to the right of it click on the icon with 3 dots. In the menu that appears, select Advanced Options. As you can see, not all applications have such options. In this case, I will choose another application for demonstration. After opening the advanced options of the selected application, open the list of settings for running in the background. Select the Never option. The application will not run in the background. Thank you for watching.